Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and going directly to Settings so we can change notification behavior. Click the three-dot menu at the top right corner and select Settings. Once done, make sure you're signed into the profile you want to modify because notifications are profile-specific. Next, use the search box inside Settings and type Notifications to jump straight to the right controls. This saves time versus scrolling. Now you're set to access site level and global notification options. You'll now manage specific site permissions under Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and then Notifications. Scroll the Allow list and identify sites you no longer want sending alerts. Click the three dots beside any entry and choose block to stop future prompts, or remove to clear the permission entirely. Removing prompts the site to ask again next visit. Make sure to inspect any suspicious entries. Some sites auto-subscribe via deceptive prompts, so be thorough while cleaning the list. Finally, decide whether you want to stop prompts globally or just quiet them. Toggle off sites can ask to send notifications to prevent new prompts entirely. This is the fastest way to stop interruptions. Alternatively, enable quiet notification prompts to reduce disruptions without breaking site functionality. Once you've made selections, restart Chrome to ensure settings apply. If notifications persist, clear site data for the problematic site and repeat the steps. That usually resolves lingering permissions or cached behaviors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.